Priyanka, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about the Necklace Road exhibition, and if you guys missed Numaish or Nampally exhibition, then here's a mini exhibition you can explore. So this one has some rides and some things for kids and also a lot of stalls. So this is like a mini exhibition. You will see a lot of stalls which were at Numaish here also, but it's not as big. There are a lot of Kurtas stalls, jutis, a lot of footwear, some export rejects and a lot of other usual stalls that you usually see, like pickles, kitchenware, glassware and all those things, and bed sheets, carpets and bed sheets, doormats and a lot of other things. So I have a mini haul for you guys at the end, but let me first tell you guys what the exhibition was like and what sort of collection they carried. So you might hear a little disturbance. I have the fan on because it's a little hot and also I'm using the studio light, so please don't mind that. And now let me tell you guys what the exhibition was like. So this is at People's Plaza in Necklace Road, and you will have parking opposite the place itself, and the ticket price is 50 rupees and the timings are from evening 5 p.m. So this exhibition goes on from 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. and it's going on till June 15th I think, or June 20th. These things, you know, they might get extended sometimes, so keep an eye out. You will see these updates in the local newspaper. So I've seen a lot of kurta sets and dress materials and kurta stalls. So these stalls actually have everything on display, and these are all 500 to 600 at fixed prices, and they have sizes up to double XL, starting from like small. I felt that the prices were also lower here, so you will definitely find a lot of really beautiful kurtas, and these are kurtas which I've seen at Shilparamam or even Charminar or like other shopping places like Badi Chaudi. So here I felt like even though they're on fixed prices, the prices are actually pretty low. So in the first few stalls there were a lot of kurtas on display, really beautiful pastel colors, summer colors, and there were also a lot of kaftans which have some work and patchworks, and you'll also see some Lucknow kurta stall. Chicken curry kurtas, I think only there were 2-3 stalls. There were not many, and like Nampally exhibition there were not as many, there were just 2-3, but the collection is actually pretty good, and they do have sizes up to like 46, 48. You'll have to explore a little and check them out. And there's a lot of accessory stores. They have really good collection in hair accessories and even jhumkas, earrings, and a lot of neck pieces and all that. So the collection is really good and they're quite affordable. Most of the Minakari jhumkas and heavier jhumkas are also priced at 150 rupees. And for footwear stalls, there were 2-3 stalls, but the collection is really good. Again, I found similar collection that I saw at Numaish. So if you've seen my Nampally exhibition haul, I got some jutis. So I found some of those similar ones, and they're priced around 500. So you can probably bargain up to like 300 or 250. So like I said, the prices here are much lower. So definitely, if you are looking for footwear and kurtas, then this is something that you can definitely go and check out. For jutis and kolhapuris, I did not find much. There were 1 or 2 stalls, but probably the collection is over, or you know, they're yet to restock. I really wanted to get some colorful kolhapuris. Because I did get jutis from a Nampally exhibition, but I think they're out of stock. Apart from this, there's the usual food stalls and kitchenware stalls and some crockery and doormats, bed sheets, curtains. All of them are really good, like pretty good quality. You'll have to like check a little and get them. And of course, there's food stalls and also rides. Now this is like a mini exhibition. There's not a lot of stalls, but you will find good collection. So now I'll show you guys what I picked up. I don't have like a huge haul because Numaish happened recently. I did pick up some things there, and accessories I picked up a lot of them at Charminar, so I did not end up getting a lot of accessories also. One thing I wanted to get was kolhapuris, and they were out of stock. So yeah, anyway, let's begin and I'll show you guys what I got. So one of those first few stalls, they had a lot of pastels, so I picked up this. If you guys have seen one of my Shilparamam videos, I did get the exact same kurta in a navy blue. I saw it in a light baby pink, but I couldn't find double XL in that. I think they only had L and XLs. So now I think in this stall they had baby pink also and double XL, but I ended up getting this. It has really nice thread work here and this button detailing, and it has frills and flare from the waist, and here also it has some work. It's a very light blue, so when you wear it, it almost looks like off-white or white, but yeah, it is a light mint blue. Here also it has work. The fabric quality and everything is good, and this was at fixed price of 600. I really think it's worth it. So let me just give you guys a closer look. So here and all, it has that little bit of gota kind of a detailing, and then there's thread work. Throughout the frills also it does have thread work. So that's the kurta, you guys. Here it has tie-up knots, and this is what it looks like. So this is the only kurta that I picked up, but there were a lot of beautiful kurtas, and even in this color there were a couple of them. This was the first stall, but like 2-3 other stalls around it also had similar pieces. They had beautiful ones in cotton kurtas, and I think that soft fabric, I think it's called model fabric, that's really soft fabric. They had yellow and this blue in that fabric also. So I'm just trying to give you guys a lot of information so that you find it easier. Now that was the only kurta that I got. There were quite a lot of kurta stalls, but I didn't really find anything else that I absolutely loved. There were a lot of sets, dress material sets, and even stitched sets, but I didn't find my size. And there was one of those export reject kind of stalls. This is the same one which was at Numaish, and I also made a video. They have a store in Ameerpet also. It's called Export House. So they have a really good collection. Even during Numaish, I was able to pick up a lot of maxi dresses. So because this is an export reject kind of a store, at the Ameerpet store, it's actually a proper shop near Big Bazaar. It's a little ahead of Big Bazaar. You'll find more details in the video. So the stock may vary because they keep putting up exhibitions, or basically its stock may vary, but you'll have to like patiently dig out and you'll find really good pieces. So during the Numaish one and even the store, I picked up a couple of pieces, like mostly maxi dresses. So this time I got a few daily wears. So this is the first top. This is a plain bluish grey kind of a color. It's not super long. It's basically a top, or I don't know, I don't think it's a dress. So I think I can wear it with like leggings or some sort of a straight fit pants. I think it look nice for office or like everyday use. You can add minimalistic accessories, and I think it will give a very nice look. So the fit and all is fine. It's a little loose, but I think works. And this says it's XL, and the color is really nice for summer, and because it doesn't have lining or anything, it's very soft, so it's nice for summer. And I don't know why this is cut out. I see these a lot in export reject stores. Even at Shilparamam, when they used to have export reject stalls, some of those used to have these brand name cut out for some reason. This is the next one. This is actually a pretty basic white dress, but I thought it was really cute. So it's a white top, or it's a white dress actually. It has a little bit tie-up knot here, and it's sleeveless, and it's plain white, and at the bottom it has slight flare. It is not a lot of ruffles as such, it's just a slight flare. So it's nice to wear as a dress as it is. You need a slipper of course, and then you can wear a belt over it. Again, something that can be worn nicely for office or like everyday use. And with a slip, I think it's really manageable, and I really like the length. I wear midi dresses. I don't wear the above knee kind of dresses, so it's perfect length. Again, for some reason it's torn. It actually says L, but it is sort of, I think, double XL. So this again is very nice. I want to wear it like Indian wear, because it doesn't have a lot of flare. Apart from a basic chikankari white kurta, I don't have any plain white kurtas which can be worn for everyday use. So I thought I'll wear this as a kurta, and it doesn't have a lot of flare, right? So I can add like a plain white dupatta with white straight pants, and it makes for like a all white nice suit. I think I'm going to style it like that. This is a peach colored dress. This is a little bigger than what I usually wear, but I think slight alteration will do. So here it has really cute double layered sleeves. The color is obviously very pretty, and again it's a midi dress, has a little flare from the waist, and at the back this is what it looks like. And I used to have the exact same dress actually the exact same fabric also. I think I got the fabric from nursing and I got it stitched, and it's a very similar model. And at the back I think I saw some stockpile of dresses which had a heart shaped back, so I got that done. I got it stitched, and it's still, I still have it, but it's sort of worn out, like almost fading kind of a thing. I'm really glad I found something similar. So if you go, do check out the stall. They have all the sizes, even if you wear XS, small, medium, large, double XL, 4XL, any size, you will find pieces in this stall, and they're very affordable. By the way, all of these are at fixed prices of 400, and they also have some other sections which are priced at 300, some priced at 2 for 500. So do check out the stall. I wish they had bottoms also. I wish they had like pants, palazzos and all that in export rejects. That would have been amazing. They do have skirts. I have shown some in my previous video when I did like a dedicated video about export house in the Ameerpet store. So do check out that video also, so that you can see what sort of collection they carry and all that. And there's no bargaining in this particular stall. They're all fixed prices, but they have really good collection. You have to like dig out a little, but I think the salespeople were very helpful. Even they were trying to find me a few pieces in my size. The blue one also, I think somebody else found it for me. So they have good collection, and these people also have kaftans, and they have like shrugs, long shrugs which you can wear. Transparent ones, so something you can wear for beach, over bikinis, a lot of such things also. So yeah, this stall has really good ones. So this is a very beautiful dress, you guys. So it's a very cute dress. It's a little shorter than my usual liking. It's still below the knees, but yeah, it's a little short, and it's a very cute, nice floral print, summer friendly. It looks really cute. You can wear it with like a denim jacket. It actually is a halter neck, but it has elastic, so it would sit really well. You don't really need to use it as a halter also. And it has a zip at the back, so it's in perfect condition. And it has tags also. This is from this brand called Sheen. It's not Shein, it is Sheen. Yeah, it's UK size 18. A very beautiful piece. I absolutely love it. And here also it has like layers, so it gives a very nice fit and a look. Looks very beautiful. Really love this. I think this is my new favorite summer dress. So you can style it with like a jacket if you don't want to wear like strapless. So they have good options here. So yeah, do check it out. That was the last piece which I picked up. I hope this haul was fun watching. So if you're looking to get kurtas and footwear, then this is a great place. So I think it's going on till 15th June for sure. So do check it out. Let me know in the comments below what else you would like to watch. If you would like me to explore any other street markets or any particular stores, do let me know. And I also have a lot of Amazon videos, Amazon haul videos coming up. Amazon dupattas haul just went up, so do check that out also. And I have summer wedding video coming up, and I also have a lot more coming up. And do find me on Instagram as well. I do mini hauls and shopping videos there as well, so you'll definitely find a lot of useful information and styling videos there. Do find me on Instagram. Do subscribe to this channel, and also my Telugu channel. I have videos coming up on both the channels, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.